Okay, let's go to the next question. That is question number 4. And it reads, you have been appointed by your audit team leader to undertake a verification of property, plant and equipment as indicated in the client's statement of financial position. The requirement: suggest 4 methods of asset valuation you will deploy to ascertain the accuracy of the value of the property, land and equipment indicated in the statement of financial position. The methods of asset valuations include: the first one is cost method. The cost method is done basing on the value of the historical price for which the asset was bought. Okay, especially this cost method is the easiest way of assessing the valuation. Okay, because we are just basing on the value of history price for which the asset was bought. The other method is market value method. The market value method bases on the value of the asset on its market price or its projected price when sold in an open market. It's either basing on the market price or projected price which is being sold on an open market. Okay, in the absence of the similar assets in an open market, the replacement value method or the net realizable value method is used. Okay, the other method is base stock method. The base stock method requires a company to keep a certain level of stock whose value is assessed based on value of the base stock. Here is where the company keep a certain level of the stock where the value is assessed based on the value of the base stock. Okay, another method is standard cost method. The standard cost method, it uses the expected cost instead of actual cost. Okay, these costs are often based on the company past experience. The costs are also obtained by recording differences between expected and actual costs. Okay, let's go to the question number 4, part B1, and it reads, with reference to gathering audit evidence, distinguish between positive confirmation and negative confirmation. Distinguish between positive confirmation and negative confirmation in reference to gathering audit evidence. Here you'll say positive confirmation requires supporting information despite the accuracy of the original records, while the negative confirmation requires a response only if there is a discrepancy. Okay, another difference is during a negative confirmation request, a business may be asked to confirm that an account balance is listed at a specific amount, such as maybe 1,000 pounds if the current account balance is 1,000, 100,000. Okay, another one is negative confirmation is more commonly used in individuals or business records, which are generally considered to be highly accurate. Okay, whereas in positive confirmation, okay, you can go back to that point. Negative confirmation is more commonly used in individuals or businesses records, which are generally considered to be highly accurate. Okay, as a result, negative confirmation is much less costly and time intensive for auditors, since they usually only need to send one letter as compared to a positive confirmation whereby it needs a lot of time consuming, so that makes and a lot of accuracy, which makes it more expensive as compared to the negative confirmation. Okay. Another point is positive confirmation requests are more involved since financial records must be furnished. Even if the original information in the letter was correct, they also a result as a positive confirmation tends to be better representation of financial information than a negative confirmation, since it is an explicit request that has been returned by the recipient. Okay. Another difference is if there is any dispute that has arises, a positive confirmation is physical evidence that the information was confirmed. Okay. While a negative confirmation is not physically evidence that anything or any information has been confirmed. Okay. Then the positive confirmation requests are more likely to be used if companies' books are suspected of having errors. Okay. I think we are through with the difference between the negative confirmation and the positive confirmation. Let's go to part 2 of question 4. Part 2 of the question 4B. Your firm has recently recruited a team of new auditors directly from tertiary institutions under graduate trainee program. As part of induction, you are required to train them on reliability of audit evidence and audit procedures of gathering audit evidence. Required, describe to the new team 4 audit procedures that can be deployed in gathering audit evidence. Describe the new team 4 audit procedures that can be deployed in gathering audit evidence. The first procedure is inspection. Inspection. Then here, inspection involves examining documents or records in paper form, electric form, or any other media. Whether internal or external, an inspection of documents and records may be given evidence of ownership, for example, the title deeds. The evidence that a control is operating, let's say stamped invoices, or evidence about cut-off, the dates, and also the invoices. This evidence can confirm value and purchases costs. Okay. Inspection of tangible assets usually give evidence or existence of evaluation. Okay. Another method or another audit procedure is observation. Observation consists of looking at the processes of the procedure. It's either confirm or denies that the control was operating at the time of the observation. Keeping in mind that the auditor's presence may have had an influence on the behavior while the observation were being carried upon. Examples of the observation include an auditor observation of inventory, counting, like they might take an inventory and want to confirm in the system whether the amount that was being counted goes in hand with the record that has been kept in the system. Okay, so that's the best example one can give of the performance of control activities. Another procedure is external confirmation. External confirmation. Here in the external confirmation is where audit evidence obtained by the auditor as a direct written response to the auditor from the third party. The confirmation can be in paper form, electronic form, or any other media. External confirmation may give good evidence of the existence of balances, but may not necessarily give reliable evidence of valuation. Okay. The other one is recalculation. This one is mostly made to make sure or check whether the mathematical accuracy of documents are being recorded. When you recalculate, maybe you have you doubt maybe the calculation have not correctly recorded, so you recalculate to get the correct figures. The other one is analytical procedures. Analytical procedures, they consist of the evaluation of information through analysis of relationships among the data. Okay, they are used throughout the audit processes for the following purposes, like risk assessment, understanding the business, substantive testing, entity communication, and etc. Okay, another one is inquiry. The inquiry is seeking information from knowledgeable person within or outside the enterprise. Yeah, the auditors can conduct the inquiries maybe through when they want to get information about your business, if they want to collect some of the specific evidence, or maybe they want to collaborate evidence collected by other means. Okay, I think I'm through with that question number 4. I'm through with question number 4.